those who dare seek it out must face their fears, stare down their limitations, and harness its untamed power.
Car maker. McLaren is finally stepping into the world of fashion and streetwear, acquiring sneakers for the first time. The automaker has been working with footwear label Athletic Propulsion Labs to debut the shoe for 2 years now. The shoe would be a limited edition called High Speed, incorporating elements of supercar. The shoes are said to be one of the most expensive to be sold at $450 and would be sold across the states, including online luxury retailer Net-a-Porter, Italy Louise via Roma Hong Kong's Petter Group, and Level Shoes from the United Arab Emirates. Although the automaker had previously collaborated with a designer brand, Belstaff and Rude on clothing collections and sells eyewear with the environmental brand SunGod, High Speed is their lasted addition to their apparel and accessories collection. According to Gareth Dunsmore, CMO of the company, the push is to make sure the company stays culturally relevant. The carmaker suffered setbacks with demand for cars dropping due to the pandemic and delays hampering the launch of their latest model, the Artura. The company has taken to strategically positioning itself in places like Formula One, which has been received well, drawing viewers from North America. So in July, McLaren signed a sponsorship deal with American footwear brand K-Swiss, and products are set to hit stores next year. Athletic Propulsion Labs are looking to attract stars like Lady Gaga and Chrissy Teigen.
Straight in this camera right here, there we go, hold that, beautiful.
And then Chrissy right down the center, looking at me right here, awesome, hold up.
We'd be keeping an eye on how the brand performs going forward.